The Shure SM7B is the go-to microphone for streamers, podcasters, and broadcasters. It's been used by some of the biggest names in the industry, and even Michael Jackson recorded Thriller with this very microphone. Okay, not this exact one, but you know what I mean. But with its high price, some potential durability concerns, and a surprising issue that I ran into, is it still the best mic for streamers? Let's talk about it. So back in 2020, I was upgrading from the Blue Yeti, looking for a solid mic for both streaming and broadcasting. The Shure SM7B seemed to be the gold standard. Almost every big streamer was using one, so I bought it. For years, it's been my go-to mic, and overall, it's been absolutely fantastic. But it's not perfect, hence why I have two. Now let's take a closer look at the mic itself. The Shure SM7B is a dynamic cardioid microphone, which means it rejects background noise while focusing on the sound directly in front of it. This is why it's such a popular choice for streamers. It keeps out that unwanted room noise like keyboard clicks or fans better than a condenser mic. The frequency response is tuned for rich, warm vocals, making it ideal for spoken word and even voiceover work. You get that warm, podcasty sound with this mic. This is a test of the Shure SM7B with a cloud lifter and a Go XLR, straight out of the box with no post-processing. This is a test of the Shure SM7B with a cloud lifter and a Go XLR using my personal EQ and tuning settings. Physically, the build quality is rock solid. The body is entirely metal, which makes it durable and extremely premium feeling. The mic itself is quite heavy though, of course, so you'll need a proper good boom arm to support it properly. There is a mounting system built in as well with a yoke-style design, which allows you to tilt and rotate the mic really easily, whether you want it positioned directly in front of you like this, or even just sort of hanging from above like you see a lot of people using it like that. On the back of the mic, there are two switches for adjusting the sound. One is what's called a low-cut filter, which removes some of the lower end frequencies. Useful if your voice is sort of naturally bass heavy and low. The other is a mid boost, which adds more clarity to your voice, making it cut through a mix better. These give you some flexibility in shaping your sound, but most of the control, of course, will come from your audio interface or your mixer. To be honest, I have not touched these switches since I got the mic, and I've had no problems with it. Speaking of interfaces, the SM7B requires an XLR connection, meaning you can't just plug it directly into your PC like a USB mic, and it also has a notoriously low output, which means it needs a strong preamp to get enough volume. Some audio interfaces can handle this, but many people use a cloud lifter or a FET head, which provides clean gain to boost the signal. I personally do use a cloud lifter, and I'll be making a video very soon on whether you actually need one. So is the Shure SM7B overkill for most streamers? I think it definitely is. If you're just streaming as a hobby, you can get very similar sound from cheaper mics like the Shure MV7X or even something USB based like the Elgato Wave mic. But if streaming or broadcasting is your job, you want the best of the best, and this mic delivers exactly that. If you are considering buying one, my advice is very simple. Ask yourself, do I really need this? If you're a professional streamer or broadcaster, there aren't really many better options out there. If you can afford it, this is likely going to be the last mic that you'll ever need to buy. But if you're just streaming casually, a simpler, more affordable mic will give you 95% of the same sound without that high price tag. Now let's talk about the biggest issue that I ran into and why I actually have two of these mics. After 4 years of heavy use and traveling around the world with the mic, I started noticing random audio dropouts during streams.
To the second channel. Oh, it's done it again, is it? Is that good? Okay.
My chat pointed it out, and after some troubleshooting, I realized that it wasn't my XLR cable. It was actually the built-in connection inside the mic itself. Pressing the cable onto the body temporarily fixed it, so as you can see, I used some tape as a quick fix. Now that worked for a while, but eventually the mic started cutting out again, so I had to replace it with a brand new one. Shure does offer a repair evaluation for £50, but I'd be without a mic for weeks. So instead, I just bought a new one in December 2024, and to be fair, since replacing it, like I did with this one, I've had zero issues. But for a mic at this price point, you'd expect it to last a lifetime without issues, so that's definitely something to keep in mind. So what do you think? Is the Shure SM7B still the best mic, or is it overhyped? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. And of course, check out this video on the screen for another amazing video. We'll see you in the next one.